Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can play Asseto Corsa Evo with a PS5 controller. So the first thing that you want to do is to actually connect the controller onto your computer, and from here you want to right click on Asseto Corsa, click properties, and then select controller. Make sure that the enable Steam input is selected, and also on Steam you want to make sure that your controller is detected by the actual computer. From there, open up Assetto Corsa, click setting, navigate through controls, and make sure that you select the gamepad as your input method. Now that you're ready to go, let's head over to a race. And simply from there, you can now use your controller normally. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.